As we wrapped up the 5th week of the Kansas legislative session, things are beginning to pick up down at the State House. Last week, KLA testified on a number of bills, including Senate Bill 357, which had to do with soil erosion from wind in the Senate Agriculture Committee. KLA opposed this bill, but urged the committee to adopt an amendment that would add private property right protection. KLA also opposed Senate Bill 285, which deals with misclassification of employees. This bill would make higher penalties for employers if they misclassified their employees as independent contractors. However, KLA did support 3 water conservation bills that were in both the House Agriculture and Natural Resources Committee as well as the Senate Agriculture Committee. Another hot topic downtown right now is the issue of immigration. KLA is part of the Kansas Business Coalition, who has brought forward a labor-friendly bill. Under this bill, undocumented persons in the state can gain work authorization if they meet some strict guidelines, one of which they cannot be on the Department of Homeland Security's priority deportation list, meaning they cannot be criminal or a threat to society. They also must prove that they have been living in the state since 2007. These individuals must also go through the Department of Homeland Security's biometric testing, which includes background checks, fingerprinting, etc. And they must also agree to work towards English proficiency. The state of Kansas would determine certain industries in the state that are experiencing labor shortages, and then these employers can also sign up for the program. They would pay annual registration fees, which would end up paying for the program itself, and they can hire eligible program participants. Also want to mention that the program participants, if they meet all of the requirements, they can gain work authorization and then in turn apply for a Kansas driver's license. Although this bill would give work authorization to those individuals, it is not a path to citizenship. It is simply a way to manage the undocumented population that we currently have in the state while also helping industries that are experiencing labor shortages. KLA will be providing testimony in support of this coalition bill this week downtown. Bill numbers are House Bill 2712 on the House side and Senate Bill 399 on the Senate side. We also hope that you'll be able to join us for our 2012 legislative meeting. That is this Thursday, and we will continue to keep you updated and informed on what's going on at the State House.